So we need to first remove the seat so this tank can move actually this way, otherwise it will be stuck in this area. And then we will have one main bolt here and then one screw, and then we have two screws here, different size and different size of this one. And these ones we will need the Allen keys. If I remember correctly, this one was 5. So yeah, this was 5. Okay, that's done. And the other two from this side and the other two from this side, I think it was 4, if I also remember correctly. And oh, I think it's only one from this side and one from the other side, not 2. Okay, here this is the important part, the tricky one. It's not removing this screw, no. This part needs to be removed, and in order to be removed, you need to adjust the steering wheel so it can go from here and carefully remove it. So the important things are these ones, because it has to be sticked here, so don't break it. And make sure that this area is free, because this one will go a little bit up. So let's see the battery. So here you can see the battery.